How much do you think would it cost to start a vineyard? Like, I know this is like a crazy.
The thing is, here everything is on a very small scale. So here in Ronda, you have most of the vineyards. And so of the 28, you've got 4 very big ones. This one's a medium-sized one with 7 hectares, but the rest are probably all under 3 hectares. So for 3 hectares of land, the investment's not as huge. I think you can do it on a very small scale with a very limited budget. Something like this is on a bigger scale, and the equipment they have here is very sophisticated. But there are people that don't have a fridge, that night harvest, which is very common for the smaller ones. And with a couple of stainless steel tanks and a couple of barrels, you can be up and running.